Hello friends and welcome to my channel Daily Tech Tutor. Today we will learn how to fix SHEIN checkout not working. So first of all, make sure you have this application installed. Open it. Once you open it, on the right bottom you can see the option for me. Click on it and make sure that you are logged in over here. This is the first case. In the second case, go to Play Store and search for your application SHEIN. Click on it and make sure the application is up to date. This is the second case. In the third case, go to Settings and look for the option of Apps. Click on it, and from here you can look for the application SHEIN. Scroll down and look for your application. Now click on it and click on Clear Data, which is at the bottom right. Now click on Clear All Data and Clear Cache. If the problem still exists, you can simply uninstall the app and install it again. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel.